Meaning of free safety.
Free safety.
Free safety.
Free safety.
Free safety. In American football, a free safety is a defensive player who plays in the secondary. Their primary responsibility is to cover deep passes and prevent the opposing team from scoring touchdowns. Free safeties are known for their speed, athleticism, and ability to read and react quickly. They often play a crucial role in an effective defense, as they can help shut down the passing game and force the offense to rely on running plays. In short, free safeties are key players on any football team that seeks to stop the opposing team from scoring points through the air.